She thinks she works here. She's supposed to be over here.
Hi my honeys, welcome back to my channel. I can't even keep a straight face. I'm right here with my honey. So, oh my god, before I continue with this talking, let me flip the camera around. I gotta show you how beautiful the sky looks. One sec. How beautiful is that? To share with you guys what we're doing today, but I'm only gonna tell you that something came up, a really good deal came up, so I'm super excited to share with you guys. So we are on the way to this place and yeah, I'll show you guys when I get there. I don't know, babe.
Oh, it's optional. I don't even have to wear that.
Oh, really?
Some help?
Yes. Is Ken or Julian available?
You call them on your smartphone in the middle of a small text or we'll lose it. We'll find it for you.
Okay, thank you.
So it's this one right here?
Yes.
Yeah. Which one is going home? Or might not be.
Look at that buttons. We're doing what?
On the freeway, yeah.
I don't even know how to drive an automatic.
She tries a new car and then she don't know how to act. You're gonna go right.
Guys, I'm super excited.
Oh, it is. Okay. How are things going with the whole, with everybody there now? You like it?
It's going good. Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's going really good.
Yeah.
Just
You guys got a new service manager and everything too.
yes.
Yeah.
How's it going here? I didn't even know.
Yeah, ended up coming in a small world. You know, we met before we came down here and they didn't need two managers up there and then I ended up coming with Jason. It's a small world, you know?
Yeah, I know. It is.
So switcheroo. But no, he's more my style.
Yeah.
So as far as selling and stuff, so
Cool.
working out good, and
That's
I really
good.
like it here. People are super nice.
Completely different, huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's more professional.
Yeah, for sure.
You know.
Yeah. But it's changing little by little over there, so
Yeah.
it's good. I like it a lot.
Well, the company's a good company, you know, so
Hmm.
I think it's gonna work out for everybody.
Yeah. I hope so.
That store should start selling. You guys should probably gonna get a whole bunch of inventory.
Oh yeah,
That's
we
what's
have
gonna
been.
happen. You guys have been?
Mhm.
Yeah. Yeah, that's gonna be good for that store. Really good.
Yeah.
She thinks she works here. She doesn't work here. She's supposed to be over here. And she thinks she works here.
With credit, and you've got the credit, you qualify for outstanding interest rate, borrowing rate, protection with the maintenance, and the unlimited mile warranty. That's on top of the factory warranty.
Tell us what you want. You don't have to come here too because you work there. You can get it all done through the service department there.
Yeah.
So in
You've got credit, excellent credit, so you get the best rate.
we know who you, I know who you are. So I immediately said, just make sure we take care of her, give her everything, give her the options, let her decide what she wants to do, and then she'll tell us what she wants to do. So how'd you like the car?
Yeah, I really liked it. Yeah, that's why I feel like.
Hella fast.
It's such a bittersweet moment, but I'm super excited. I'm gonna miss my baby. Good times, good times. Ay,
I don't know what you have in
máscaras.
there. Huh?
La máscara se me atoró.
Oh, there's all kinds in there. Just put them all in the bag.
I am, baby.
I didn't know if you wanted to take anything out of the owner's manual. So. Hey, don't forget my little buddy, and he's right there.
Oh,
Oh, fast, like, just pick out the whole seat.
you guys! Oh my god! Somebody pinch me. Pinch me, please. Honey, pinch me.
I'm gonna kick you right now.
Wait, honey! I wanna cry. I'm so freaking excited. Quiero llorar. I am so excited, you guys. I'm so excited, honestly. Honey, I'm telling them that I'm super excited. I almost wanna cry.
Guys, quiere llorar. Quiere llorar.
Honey, what's this for?
Huh? That's for over here.
Oh, I leave it in here? I'm gonna keep the pen. Que dice Zion. Not just... What about this first aid kit? I never used it. Honey, can you give me a paper cut so I can use my first aid kit at least once? Nah, just kidding. I literally like, I have everything like in carito. You guys, I wanna cry. I'm so excited.
You sure?
It's such a like awesome feeling, like I don't even know how to act.
They're like, you guys can have some of our drinks there or whatever. And I'm like, I need a hot chocolate. I got me a hot chocolate. So I could drink a hot chocolate while we're outside in the cold cleaning out my car. Honestly, like, I don't know how. Long story short, like, I've been wanting this car for a very, very long time, and it's happening. I don't know how to act, honey. My cheeks hurt. I can't stop smiling.
I need to go to the bathroom again.
Go. I'm drinking my hot chocolate.
What, this you gonna leave it in here? You can keep it?
You can leave it in here. No, aquí ponlo. ¿Para qué lo rondas hasta allá?
Someone can find it.
Ay, babe. You guys. I can't believe it. Uy.
¿Ese también lo vas a
That's
dejar?
my other earring. We'll see. It doesn't fit my car.
Well, you can try it at least. You don't try it for a little bit. In the meantime.
Okay.
Ya se cree.
Anti-turtle enough for the turtle club. This just happened. Can you pinch me?
Wake up.
I can't believe this. I can't stop smiling. My face hurts. Yay!
Should have got like Red Lobster or Olive Garden. BJ, they got BJ.
I know, they have all kinds here.
Oh.
Yay! We're gonna have Chick-fil-A. Whoop, whoop. Are you excited, honey?
Yeah, I haven't had Chick-fil-A in a while, so that's why I got 2 burgers.
I forgot. He got 2 burgers.
Hell yeah.
Yep.
Might as well be fat.
I'm super excited. Cheers. Yummy. My favorite. You can have some of my fries, honey. I'm so excited to share with you guys. Hola, hola. Hi, my honeys. Welcome back to my channel. Hi. So I'm super excited. Oh my god, I can't. Hold on. Let me gather myself up real quick. You guys. Oh my goodness. I'm super excited to share with you guys. I got the car I've been wanting for a very long time. I'm super excited. I can't even put it in words how proud I am of myself. And I wanted to share this with you guys. Epi! Oh, hold on, I'll be back. I forgot he's in the garage. So, I've been wanting this car for so long, and I am so excited to share with you guys my excitement for this vehicle. I know people are like probably saying like it's just a car, but for me it's a big deal. It's a big accomplishment. I'm super excited, and
I've worked so hard to get to where I'm at right now, and I just wanted to share with you guys. Hi, honey.
Oh, Eva's here.
Oh.
We're gonna try to set up the lights, see how it works.
Oh, okay.
Because ours is shorter than the one that we...
Okay, sorry. It's because one of my honey's friends is here to help him out with some stuff that he needed help with. Our little DIYs for the wedding. But anyways, so yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys. And yeah, because how I was saying, I'm really proud of myself. And you know what? I'm gonna tell you guys something. For a very long time, I would always think and like look at the cars that I want. Like I've always, I don't know if you guys are new to my channel, like if you don't know me, I love cars. I am in love with cars. And I do right now, what I do for a living where I work is with vehicles, with cars. So yeah, so I learn every day something new. But so I've always like been into cars and stuff, and I always had like a little list of cars that I've always wanted, and this is one of them, and I'm super excited because I've actually, like, the cars that I've been wanting, like I've been getting like one by one, like when I was younger. Well, the first car that I had, it was a 91 Honda, like a little hatchback, and I paid that one cash myself. And it, like, for me, even back then, for that 91, I was so stoked. I mean, I'm still super proud of myself. Back then, that was my first car. All of my cars have been stick shift, manual. So yeah, this Lexus is my first car, first automatic. Well, besides our Prius, but that's a commuter. I feel like it doesn't count. But yeah, just a little story of me, of my cars. But yeah, like, getting this car is a big deal to me. It's one of the cars that I've been wanting for years, and I don't know, I can't even explain like how I'm feeling right now. But all I can say is thank you to my honey, because he's always been so supportive. Anything, whatever it is that I want to do, or anything, just anything, he's always been so supportive. Thank you, honey, if you're watching my video, because he watches all my videos. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys and show you guys. And also, if you follow me on Instagram, I will be posting some pictures that we took. So yeah, I will be posting on my Instagram soon some of the pictures that we took. That was another thing too. My honey was so supportive, and he helped me out. He's such a great photographer. But oh my god, I had so much fun taking the pictures and everything, and hasta me enojé. I was like, ay, es que no le haces bien, hazle así o ponte así, like. My honey, my poor baby. Siempre yo lo traigo para ir para acá. Como dicen, keep him on his toes. No. No, but yeah, so thank you so much, honey, if you're watching my video. But yeah, so I just wanted to share that with you guys. So I've always like had a little list of cars that I've wanted, and this is one of them. And also, like, because I've had, this is my 4th car. So, okay, long story short, I know I've been talking forever already, but, okay, so I've had my 91 Honda, hatchback, and then after that, I got my 1994, Integra. It was the one with the JDM front end and black. I love that car. It was so hard to get rid of that one. But yeah, so, and then after that one, I did get my FRS in the steel silver color. It was beautiful. I actually, the other day, I was like sitting in my Lexus, and I'm like, wow, like, oh my gosh, like, it's crazy, like, I don't know. But anyways, so yeah, so I just wanted to share this video with you guys, or slash vlog from when I bought the car. I had so much fun recording this video for you guys, and it was a little hard because we ended up going a little later. It was right after work on a Thursday, so yeah, we ended up going and picking it up. We actually went to go get like a quote on it because I just wanted to go look at it and test drive it because I seen that they had one there at this dealership that was really close to where I live. So yeah, we ended up going, and I was like, you know what, either now or never. Like, I don't know, like I mean, why not? You only live once, literally, like. And I was like, I'm gonna do it, like. And then too, also, I've been wanting a 4-door because I've been going shopping a lot more lately with my friends, and it's just, my 2-door was a little hard to, like, you know, shop with because all the bags, I have to put them in the trunk, or I have to put them in like the back seat, but I have to fold the seat because it was a 2-door, the one that I had. But yeah, with this one, it's like perfect. And then too, like, my brothers and sisters could go in the back seat easily. And yeah, so it's just like, I don't know, and it's so comfortable, and it has heated seats. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So yeah, like, it has like the whole shebang, like everything. So it's such an amazing feeling, like pretty much like, I don't know, like, and I don't even know how to use like some of the stuff in the car. I'm still learning. So yeah, because it's completely different from what I've had. So yeah, just wanted to share that with you guys. And ay, tengo comezón. Me picaron los zancudos. Andaba limpiando allá afuera la yarda el otro día y me picó un zancudo en mi pie. Or not mi pie, but my leg. But anyways, okay, I'll stop talking now. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I feel like I can like talk forever. Sorry. I should already say bye. No, but it's because like I don't know how to like tell you guys, like I just want to share my excitement with you guys. Oh, sorry, se miró mi. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.